Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Friday. It's about 3 o'clock Eastern Time. We had a banner day in cotton as the market traded well over 100 points higher and closed 100 points higher, with the exception of new crop. New crop December going out at 58.84, up 63. Of course, the reason for the jolt was we had great exports, and yesterday the U.S. dollar has been coming down. And as we've been detailing in our cotton letter, the speculator started out with a record short position. I think they've been pairing that all along. And as I know this sounds kind of hokey, but as the moving averages begin to hook bullish, that was even all the more technical encouragement for crude oil rather for the speculators to get out of cotton. And so we had a pretty good run up today. For the week, December cotton's up about 65 points. I think if we're patient in here, we'll see the market trade up a little higher. There's some on-call cotton that's getting done. And as we eat through that, that's going to help us even go higher. That's much less selling. We closed the nearby right at a 50% retracement. That is to say that from the December high basis May cotton down to the February low, 50% back of that is like 60-16 or 60-20. We closed right in that area. So it does set us up for next week to do something. Of course, next week the Federal Reserve meets. We'll see if they raise interest rates or not. We think not. And that could break the dollar even more. Crude oil had a huge run up today based on the fact that the dollar was breaking and that there's still hope for some type of global production freeze at the Doha meetings, which are coming up pretty soon. I think late this month or early in May. Over in the beans and corn today, they changed the weather forecast a little bit. We've had wet, cool weather up there, which has caused corn to rally and beans to break, thinking that we'd have less corn acres going in, therefore convert them to bean acres. That forecast changed overnight, and 6 to 10 days suggests warm and dry. So beans shot back up about 10, 12 cents today, while corn did close a little higher. That was a little inspirational, up about 2 cents. Of course, the jury is way out on this. We hadn't had the trial yet, so we'll see how those plantings do occur in the Midwest. Wheat was back up today, just sort of the tail going along with the dog. We couldn't say too much about that. So all in all, for the week, we had cotton, as we say, up 60 points. Beans were only down 2 cents, but it had to have a big rally for that. Corn was up 6 cents on the week. Wheat down 17 cents week over week. Heating oil up 700 points. And feeder cattle down 185 week over week. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.